back a little bit. Just like that. So look at my top hand and my bottom hand. All right, and I look down already. Here goes the bulb, it's an H11. So let's plug in the LED now. You gotta take off that cap, right? I already showed you through right here, but if you're struggling, you got big hands like me, just come through right here. Like we're in front of the Jeep. We're gonna come right here. Right there, you see this cap right here? Watch this. See this cap right here? This one, you gotta twist it. So I'll stick my hand in there real quick. This one right here. There you go, see it? There goes your cap right there. So all you do whenever you take it off, twist it off. When you ever put it in there, twist it on there. So right now we're in front of the Jeep, right? You're gonna turn the wheel over. And you're gonna come right here. You see this little nipple thing right here? Twist this off. This is the way you do both sides. And pop that off.